I've played tennis. I've played golf. I've cleaned the pantry and I've cleaned the linen closet. And now it's time to get out with the old and in with the new for 2023.
Take my time, just enjoy the ride. Best I've ever felt.
Hi there friends, welcome to our channel Organized by Darcy. In today's video, I'll be taking you in the garage to show you how I've cleaned and organized our garage for 2023. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Darcy and I do weekly organizational videos here on this channel. Today's video is in collaboration with several other YouTubers hosted by Penny from the channel Penny's Lifestyle Living. More about that later on. Let's get into the garage and see what I've accomplished so far. Come with me. Welcome to our garage. This is the area that I've spent the last 4 hours cleaning and organizing, and I'd love to show it to you. Penny from the channel Penny's Lifestyle Living and her co-host, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, At Home with Melissa, Amethyst Adventures, Buckeye Girls Decorate and Lifestyle, Organized by Darcy, The Work from Home Wife of Atlanta, J Mom Creations, Deborah Cabasas Home Living, and I'm merely Melissa, are co-hosting this collab, and it's an open collaboration to everyone. So you're invited to come back next week and participate if you didn't get a chance to this week. There are no guidelines, just to organize, clean and organize any area of your home. So I hope you'll join us, and I look forward to that as well.
Every change has a reason, baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and that you're motivated to clean and organize a space in your home. I really look forward to seeing you next week in our next video. Goodbye, and as usual, good luck.